Now this is an in-depth series on exception handling in Java. Now in this series I'm going to start off with the introduction to exception handling. Why do we need exception handling? हमको इसकी ज़रूरत क्या है ना, हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे. Followed by that I'm going to move on to the fundamentals of exception handling. इसके बाद मैं fundamentals बताऊंगा, इसमें मैं try, catch, finally, throw और throws cover करूंगा. We will be seeing a series of example to implement try, catch, finally, throw and throws. Followed by that I'm going to talk about the hierarchy of exception and errors. We'll talk about checked and unchecked exceptions, predefined exceptions, user defined exceptions. We're going to talk about exception and error. We'll be learning what are chained exceptions, exception propagation क्या होता है, हम पढ़ेंगे chained exception क्या होते हैं, exception propagation क्या होता है. We'll be discussing some of the interview questions, common exception questions that can be asked in Java interviews. And finally, I'll be giving you an assignment on exception handling in Java.